spend 6 million to do that, you know, the metal bars, and then you do a roof, 6 million. Then the national government comes and says, no. Even before a trader uses that structure, the national government says, no, this is a very small thing. We want to do a modern, under ESP, right? ESP. So everything that the county government did, the 6 million, goes down the drain.
It goes down the drain as it is removed.
It's removed. The works are completed.
And the market is in use.
Is in use. Next time you say the works are ongoing. So in your written response, you are saying, let me read it verbatim. As at the moment, the said works by the national government have been completed and the traders have resumed using the market. That's the written response. But we are saying that the works are still ongoing. So which works are ongoing, which works have been completed, what is the status?
Removing that market and constructing a new one is neither here nor is it there. There's nothing in the works like that one. Is that what you're saying? For this Timau?
I'm the one who introduced the issue about the same site for the market being the same site that the public are identifying for the modern markets. So we are not like in conflict. The national government are not taking this site violently. It is the public, it is the people who are selling in those sites that are agreeing for us to be in a better, market, in a better environment. We better release this place where we are selling our wares so that we can get a better or modern market, and where the need be for the existing markets to be either part of it be taken by the contractor who has been awarded by the national government. We are doing that, but not without engaging the public chair.